Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by making a clear dashi base. Place 4 cups water in a pot with a 4-inch kombu strip and 2 dried shiitake mushrooms. Heat gently and remove the kombu just before the water boils so it does not become slimy. Continue to simmer the shiitake for a total of 10 minutes to draw out umami, then strain the liquid into a bowl. Reserve the rehydrated shiitake slices for later. They add texture and concentrated flavor when sliced thinly, and return to the soup. To emulate miso without paste, combine umami and fermentation notes. Whisk 1 tablespoon soy sauce with 1 tablespoon tahini and 1 teaspoon nutritional yeast into 1 cup warm dashi until smooth. If you prefer a deeper fishy note, add 1 teaspoon bonito powder or 1/2 teaspoon dashi granules. For vegan, keep only the kombu and shiitake base. Balance the taste with up to 1 teaspoon sugar and 1/2 teaspoon rice vinegar to mimic miso's subtle sweet-tart edge. Then return this seasoned cup to the main pot. Finish the soup by heating 3 cups of your strained dashi until gently steaming. Then add 3 ounces soft tofu cut into small cubes and 1 tablespoon dried wakame. Simmer for 2 minutes to rehydrate the seaweed. Gently fold in the seasoned cup that mimics miso, stirring carefully and warming the soup without allowing it to boil so the emulated flavors stay bright and the tofu holds texture. Ladle into bowls and top with sliced green onion and 1/2 teaspoon toast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.